Good morning to everyone. I'm Teinmuli, Department of Commerce, and now we are going to discuss about method of data collection.
First, we see what is research. Research is a consist of two words. Research equal re plus search. Re means again and again. Search means to find someone thing. In simple word, research is a find a solution for a particular problem or a question. We have a problem to observe again and again to find a solution is called research. And then what is data? Data is a collection of information. The information has been collected in various sources of the respondent is called data. The data is a set of values, quantitative or qualitative variables. First we see quantitative versus qualitative. Quantitative data is expressed by the numerical and mathematical analysis is called quantitative, and then qualitative data is measured by the nature of language, by human nature in a feeling and emotion of the humans rather than the numerical analysis. Then we see methods of data collection. The researcher should know about two types of research in the methodology. First one, primary and then secondary method. The primary method, the primary information in the word, the researcher to collect the data at the first time of the information to be a original character. There are several methods to be followed in the research. First one, observation, interview, questionnaire, schedule, and other methods to be followed. First we see primary method in observation. What is happening in the universe, like traffic pattern, land use pattern, quality of housing, condition of the building. Then filtering the observation. The researcher to filter the observation, like what we observe, then what we have been analyzed and mentally processed the two activity, finally to write the official word is called filtering the observation. Then advantage and disadvantage of observation. Advantage, eliminate the bias, current information good to get the researcher independently to act. And then a disadvantage, it is a more expensive, limited information only we gathered. Then second, interview method. Interview method is oral and verbal communication is passed by the respondent, and under structured and semi-structured or unstructured interview may be conducted through the telephone itself if possible to collect the data. And then types of interview: personal interview, focused interview, clinical interview, non-directive interview. The personal interview, asking question generally in face-to-face contact between the researcher and the respondent. Focused interview, focus attention on the given expenses and give more experience to the respondent. Clinical interview, it is concerned with board underlying feeling or motivation. Non-directive interview, interviewer's function is simply to encourage the respondent to talk about the minimum of direct questioning. And then merits and demerits of interview. Merits, in-depth information to be obtained, it's flexible, adoption as per the respondent. And demerits, bias of the interviewer, expensive, need well expected to the interviewer. And then questionnaire method is the third method of the primary data collection. The questionnaire is consists of a number of questions printed in definite order. The respondents have to answer the question on their own. And the steps in questionnaire construction: preparation, self-evaluation, external evaluation, revision, preparation of final drafting. And then advantage: low costing, time saving, no interviewers bias, standard words to be followed, no variations. And then disadvantage: to be used only for the educated people. A different respondents interpreted questions differently. No, many of the questions remaining unanswered. And the next Schedule method. Schedule like a questionnaire contain a set of questions. The enumerator appointed collect the data and through the schedule. The enumerator go to put question to the respondent and fill the schedule. Enumerator need to be very trained. And the final major part of the data collection, the secondary method. The sources of secondary are the data has been existing information. The data has been collected in legal procedure maintaining accordance with the ethics. The secondary data is the existing information is collected by the way of books, magazines, articles, newspaper, journals, etc. These are the methods to be followed in the data collection. Thank you for watching.